let me show you how the Zip HydroTap Classic works. Okay, first things first. For boiling water, press down the red lever. To operate in no touch mode, just flick the lever up. Depending on your dispense time setting, the water will flow for between 5 to 15 seconds before the unit shuts itself off. You can change this by selecting Menu, Settings and Dispense Time. Then use the arrows to adjust the dispense time as you desire. To reset, turn the handle to off. Just flick the lever back down. For chilled water, press down the blue lever. Or for no touch mode, simply flick the lever up again. Just like for our boiling water, the water will dispense for between 5 to 15 seconds, depending on your settings. To reset, simply flick the lever back again. There's a boiling water safety lock to prevent accidents. To activate the safety lock from the tap, place a finger on the safety lock and depress the blue lever for 10 seconds. The safety lock indicator will flick on and let you know that your safety is on. To dispense boiling water when the safety is on, just press the safety button and hold down the red lever at the same time. To deactivate the safety lock, press the blue lever and the safety button at the same time for another 10 seconds. The safety button can also be activated and deactivated from the menu screen. Just select Menu, then Settings and Safety. To allow the safety setting to be changed, select Yes. To turn on the safety lock, select Enable. And to turn it off, select Disable. You can lock your selection by pressing No on the menu screen. For sparkling water, you press down the blue and red lever simultaneously. Then for no touch mode, flick up both levers. You can adjust the dispense time between 5 to 15 seconds, and to reset, you just turn the handle to off. The dispense time for sparkling is the same as the chilled dispense time. And that's it, the Zip HydroTap Classic. It's water refreshed.